She color combos. The concept of recreating specific color highlight trends using extensions alone. Dimensional color effects and multitonal creations are nothing new. And in fact, they've been done for centuries. What about using extensions to create high-fashion color combinations of the latest trends? Such as She 7 and 16, which recreates the root beer highlight look first made popular by Selena Gomez a few years back. It's a multitonal, elegant brown. Rose Gold Platinum is a color combination we all know well, as it was Pantone Color of the Year at one point. Try 22 and 140 for a combination that perfectly recreates it. For something a little more dramatic, 30 and 73 pair together to create Black Cherry Espresso, ribbons of deep browns and reds that stun. Take 2 chocolate tones and you have the chocolate cake hair trend, a dominant and lasting brunette trend. Pairing 6 and 33 gives you a gorgeous chocolate caramel. Lastly, the best dimensional blonde for summer, a 23 and 101 champagne blonde. Made popular by Hollywood elite for years now, golden and dazzling. Unlimited artistry, the widest array of lengths, textures, and color effects. No one colors like she.